we are back up at the allotment to do something fairly important. Just bear with me, let me just turn the camera around. Yeah, that's all right, that looks okay. We are here to cut and weigh this. What is it, you may ask? Some of you may be thinking, is that the hulked penis? Well, no, it's the second giant marrow that I grew up here on the plot. Oh, Christ. I'm going to have a guess at, don't know, 16 kilos. Yeah, go with 16 kilos. That was as big as the one I grew about 5 years ago. That was 36 pounds. My dad's up here with me. Dad, what do you reckon?
Yeah, I'd say 36, 40 pounds. I'd say 40.
40 pounds, okay. Right, so you're going to cut it, and then we're going to carry it down, get it on the scales, and weigh it. So away you go. There you go. Is that him?
Yeah.
Yep. Let's just have a...
Oh, it's
quite
clean.
Yeah, no slug damage on this one, like there was on that bigger one we cut earlier on a previous video. Alright, we'll carry this down and weigh him. Here's a setup exactly the same as the last one. I've got this tub on the scales there. They're set to kilos and stone, currently at 0. We'll put the marrow on top of it and then see what we've got. I think I'm going to be way out with my guess at the weights because I've just picked it up and it's heavy. There she blows. Big old beastie. I said 16 kilos. Oh my god. And it looks to be, what is that? 23 kilos. So I'll put that weight in pounds on the screen now. But I think my dad is definitely nearer with 40 pounds. What do you reckon that, what's that in pounds? Just because I'm crap with converting. That's going to be nearer 50 pounds, isn't it?
Yeah, it'll be close to 50, yeah.
Alright, well there you go. That's close to 50 with that mother there. I've picked this bad boy up just so you can get a sense of scale. I'm telling you, I can feel this 23 kilos. It ain't no joke. It is bloody heavy carrying this boy here. Anyway, that's it for this particular video. If you've liked it, I can barely talk. If you've liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel because that always helps. But most importantly of all, do comment down in the comment section below. Oh my god, I'm going to have to drop this. And until the next one, bye for now.